we are talking about safety in woodworking. Wait, first you need to read the manuals, which you throw in dustbin or you ignore it. You read it, safety rules, which written in manual. There is lot of information. Staying with big three: eye protection, hearing protection and breathing protection. Choose as per your convenient. You can open the window for ventilation and stay away from alcohol during the work. You can change what you wear, like if you wear full sleeves, so you can roll it, or wear a short sleeve shirt during the work, and not wearing gloves give you good grip. If you don't know what to do, so stop it and figure out what is better way you can do the work. Like you can ask help from people, or you can find your device to search the thing what you don't know. Understand your power tool is crucial for your work, and using tool safely is mandatory. Using a good lighting can enhance your work. Cleaning the floor after every session and staying away tools from your family and friends. You can add emergency kit like first aid kit, fire extinguisher. Stay present in the situation because the distraction led to mistake. So stay mentally present in the situation.